Sumit. I am going to tell about the CTA activity of Computer Communication Network. The CTA activity is generating a generator and parity matrix. Now we let's see the aim of the experiment. The aim is to write a C program that creates a generator G and parity checks the H matrix for a given data length. These are used in the digital communication and for error detection and error connection. Now we see the tools and environment of this activity. We use the C language standard libraries like stdio.h and a compiler like GCC or code blocks. Now let's see the introduction of this CTA activity. Generator matrix G encodes that into a code word. Parity checks matrix H checks if received code is valid. These are used in a system like Hamming and PCH code. Now we see the code implementation. The program take input value k and n. It builds a identify matrix I underscore k, the random parity matrix p, then combines them to form a g is equal to I divided by p, h is equal to p square t divided by I. We, n- we now use these two matrix construct the final result. The generator matrix G is formed by the combining the identify matrix and the parity matrix horizontally. So G become a KXN matrix. To form a parity check a matrix H, we take a transpose of the matrix and join it with the another identity. H becomes a n minus k into n matrix, which is used for error detection and receiving ends. Now let's run the code. We are giving k is equal to 4 running. The output is here an example k is equal to 4 and n is equal to 7. The program creates a generator matrix G of size 4 into 7 and the parity checks matrix H of size is 3 into 7. This matrix contains only zeros and ones. The exact value of change with the each run because the parity is generated randomly. The code is executed successfully. Now let's see the conclusion of this activity. Conclusion of this activity. We have successfully written a C program that creates a generator and parity check matrix. This helps us to understand how block coding works in communication system. This project is simple but important for learning how to ensure the data integrity. In future, we can expand it to include a Hamming CRC or Red Solomon codes for more advanced error correction. Thank you.